Merci bien de rester très, très fidèle. Hein. La suite, bien sûr, c'est toujours le Speaker Show qui continue et on parle de cette question-là qui a troublé quelqu'un et qui a bien voulu qu'on puisse en parler aujourd'hui. Pourquoi est-ce que lorsqu'un enfant fait des merveilles, c'est l'enfant du père et lorsqu'il rate, c'est l'enfant de la mère? C'est juste parce que le devoir de la maman, c'est de mieux conseiller les enfants et les éduquer. Le papa, puisque le papa n'est pas presque jamais là, donc le papa veut seulement désir, hein, c'est la réussite de ses enfants. Donc pour le papa, c'est normal qu'il s'attaque aux enfants, qu'il s'attache aux enfants qui réussissent, d'accord. C'est Monsieur Sall depuis le Chartel et Koumdoum. Merci bien, Monsieur Sall, de rester toujours très fidèle. Hein. Votre fidélité est saluée et célébrée au sein du Speaker Show Club. Et sentez-vous à l'aise de venir par ici pour qu'on puisse partager l'abonnement ensemble. Parce que nous croyons fermement qu'ensemble, on est plus fort. On va dire merci à tous ces jeunes, ces groupes de jeunes qui de plus en plus nous font confiance dans le travail que nous faisons. On va saluer bien sûr Miss Jeunesse Cameroun, Miss Master Jeunesse Cameroun pour la fidélité et pour la confiance. En tout cas, on y arrive progressivement et ensemble, on va pouvoir atteindre le sommet. Tout de suite, maintenant, on va parler un peu de Shakespeare avec un jeune Camerounais qui, lui, a pris le temps de faire l'école. Après, il a pris le temps d'apprendre la musique parce qu'il est passionné par la musique. Il a pris le temps d'apprendre les instruments de la musique parce qu'il est passionné. Il a pris le temps d'aller à l'église parce qu'il aime bien Dieu. Il a pris le temps d'admirer une fille parce qu'aujourd'hui il est marié. Il a pris le temps de préparer tout cela et aujourd'hui il semble être un garçon complètement heureux parce que ce dimanche même il célèbre ses 1 an d'anniversaire de mariage. Il célèbre la venue au monde de ses jumeaux. Il célèbre quoi encore? Vraiment, c'est un homme comblé. Ça fait du bien. Ça ne peut qu'être Dieu. Hein? Il s'appelle Augustin Djer. C'est un artiste gospel au pair au niveau du Cameroun. Augustin, you're welcome.
Thank you very much, Jerry. I am very honored to be here. And that introduction is very, very heavy. And I must be very careful not to get sweet because it feels like it's a lot.
No, I mean, it's just that which you are. We knew ourselves back then, and when you grow up with brothers, with friends, and you see them succeed, it's good to find time to celebrate them and say, bro, I saw you start, and it's amazing what you're becoming. I celebrate you, my brother. That's amazing. Man. I remember those days with Champions Media. We were starting to do this and that. You abandoned us at one point. You went to Nigeria because you needed some extra skills. You know, you came back since then. The music has been awesome. How you doing?
I'm doing good. It is well. Of course, it's not an easy walk. Yeah. You see, most often when people see you, they celebrate the you being at the apex. Maybe if you are at the apex. But they really cannot be able to understand the staircase which you used to be able to climb.
That was never seen and never known even.
Yes.
But we can talk a little bit about that too, right?
Yes.
Now, if somebody is watching you for the first time, let's imagine because we are being followed or even online in different countries. If somebody is watching for the very first time, how will you introduce yourself? How will you define yourself to those who are meeting you today?
All right. Well, I'm going to say I'm Djer Augustin, or as some people say, Minister Djer Augustin. Yeah. I'm a worship minister, that's why maybe minister is added to the beginning of my name. And I feel comfortable to be called a minister. Okay. Because I love to propagate the word of God in songs. I love to write, I love to sing, I love to play music, and all to the glory of God, you know. And it's been a long ride, but one thing which is sure is that I'm a Cameroonian growing artist. I'm from the Southwest region. I am married, father of 2,
That's great news. Just
Yeah.
some days ago.
Yes, just some days ago, the Lord blessed us with a pair of twins.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. I am a jurist who at some point in time decided to serve in the field of music.
Okay.
And basically that's it. I'm not a very big Cameroon gospel artistic name, and I want to believe that we are growing and
But you are a guy who've blessed me personally with a good number of songs. One of them is Your Excellency. Can we do that a little bit, please? Just some lines. It's a song that I really enjoyed very much, Your Excellency. You know, sometimes you need to say that to God. You are my excellence. Can we do that? Just some few lines, please, to make people, know that you're coming from fire.
All right. Anytime you come into His presence, who do you see? Anytime you come into His presence, what image do you have? Some seem like a midget who is begging to receive their praise. Some seem like a beggar who is begging to receive their praise. Hey, anytime you come into His presence, who do you know? I know Him like the maker of the heavens and all the earth. He's my excellency. My excellency,
Yeah.
my excellency, my excellency.
Hey, Sergeant,
I bow before
Thank you very much. How has it been, the journey of music from the start to now?
Nothing good comes easy, Jerry. It's not been an easy ride. We are still getting there, gradually, one step at a time, one day at a time. One thing which is sure is that God has been faithful.
Yeah.
But one thing which I can say is that the place where we began from is not where we are right now.
Today.
Yes.
Musique qu'il faut suivre bien sûr sur les différentes plateformes disponibles sur YouTube. J. Augustine, on va prendre un de ces titres comme ça pour votre plaisir, et juste derrière on va continuer à en parler parce qu'il y a un événement qui est annoncé. Et merci à ceux-là qui continuent à nous écrire concernant notre thématique du jour. Pourquoi est-ce que lorsqu'un enfant fait des merveilles, c'est l'enfant du père, et lorsqu'il rate, c'est l'enfant de la mère? Dites-nous par SMS et puis on partage ensemble. Mais avant, voici un titre de l'artiste Augustine J, artiste gospel qui est présent avec nous cet après-midi. Voici un de ces titres pour votre plaisir.
Children cry, our hearts full of fear. Who can help somebody say? How much blood should be shed? Or the sacrifice do you get? Though the rise shows you faith, we your people want to see your hand again. This is the story that I know. Cameroon, land of freedom, unity overflow. This is the heritage I know. Our diversity, what makes us unique. But waiting the happen no for this land. Father, help your kingdom to reign. feel so mighty.
But our own hands break our feet. Now our own hand broke our food.
If a nation has a wound, now we self, we choke 'em. So we almost rise and cry for help.
If a nation has a wound, now we self, we choke 'em. Somebody help me say.
A nation cries to you. A nation cries to you. Help us, Lord, to stand up, God. We cry to you. A nation cries to you. A nation cries to you. Help us, Lord, to stand up, God. We cry to you. A nation cries to you. A nation cries to you. Help us, Lord, to stand up, God. We cry to you. A nation cries to you. A nation cries to you. Help us, Lord, to stand, oh God. We cry to you.
Ganha sa papa e kunno voa Seigneur Uni Seigneur vegi Kubi riceveta
La peace au people we be. Prions pour notre patrie. Assez de sang comme sacrifice. Tournons vers Jésus-Christ.
Ma boucle de boum boum record. God faut que l'ase. On paye plein, Dieu, on veut la paix. Right, yeah. Bet it's funny when we need peace. Yeah, they know it's a piece of peace. Jesus Christ, the answer for the nation. Il a la solution, we need connection. And I cry to you, God, we need redemption.
A nation cries to you. Help us, Lord, to stand, oh God. We cry to you. A nation cries to you. A nation cries to you. Help us, Lord, to stand, oh God. We cry to you. A nation cries to you. A nation cries to you. Help us, Lord, to stand, oh God. We cry to you. A nation cries to you. A nation cries to you. Help us, Lord, to stand, oh God. We cry to you.
Wow, amazing song there. Our nation cries to you. Notre nation te pleure, ô Seigneur. C'est on dirait une compilation, même ou encore, comme together des plus jeunes de nos artistes du monde gospel. On va retrouver bien sûr Saint-Man qui a remporté la première édition de Project. On va retrouver la jeune vocaliste Blessing. Blessing Ashek. On retrouve bien sûr Precious Pipe du projet Not Again. On retrouve Bison Nevers du projet Kingdom CKW. En tout cas, ils sont nombreux, hein, mon ami Debbie, Honorine, vraiment c'est super. Et bravo à toi.
Merci beaucoup, Jerry. Merci
What
beaucoup.
inspired you to write this song, a very good song for peace in Cameroon?
Yes, it's the word you've already taken it out of my mouth. It's peace. The cry and the desire for peace in Cameroon in this season inspired me to write the song Nations Cry. I produced Nations Cry and then decided to bring a few friends together, and then we came up with this project, and we had to bring in 14 worship leaders, some which you have cited. Pastor Cletus, we have Bilashi Emmanuel,
we will be here some days to come with his latest song too.
Yes, Minister Javis, Bison Nevers, Chokes Word, and then we brought all of these people, all of these voices together, and we produced this piece.
It's amazing. Congratulations. Is the song available? Can everyone have the song?
Certainly. It's on our YouTube page, and my YouTube page is NJIE for Njie, Njie and Augustine. Njie Augustine, NJIE Augustine.
Okay. That's amazing. Allez-y donc retrouver cette musique-là qui est un projet même pour la paix au Cameroun. Le nom du compte YouTube c'est Njie Augustine. Hein. Retrouvez la musique et puis gardez-la. partager là pour la musique. On va faire une petite transition, Alex, juste une petite transition. Juste derrière, on va parler maintenant des projets à venir concernant notre invité du jour. Ne bougez pas.
Mesdames, messieurs, bonsoir.
Mesdames, messieurs, bonsoir.
Bienvenue sur
The Speaker Show.
Mesdames, messieurs, bonsoir à vous. Bienvenue sur votre plateau.
Bienvenue sur le Speaker Show, mesdames et messieurs. C'est un jour très spécial.
Bienvenue sur
The Speaker Show.
When it's 4 p.m., time for you, of course, to have some crazy achievement time. Time for you to have fun. Time for you to be informed. Time for you to exchange and interact, of course, with different actors and talents around 237. It's also time for you to, of course, be able to share with us what is your thought, what you think, what's happening.
Augustin Jia, toujours avec nous, jeune artiste gospel au Cameroun, mais aujourd'hui fier d'être papa de 2 jumeaux. Quel don, quel cadeau comme ça, juste quelques mois après le mariage. Congratulations once more. We are talking about the coming of the twins in your home. How did it feel, man? After a few months of marriage, you having twins, and man, I feel like this guy. I feel the hand of God, you know.
Well, there is a way which I would say that God can be able to help a man without you putting in so much effort.
Yeah.
And sometimes He helps you to be able to do the things which ordinary men wouldn't do. And sometimes He uses some things as sign, as proof that He is with you, and
That is good to serve Him.
yeah. So I'm very grateful that in a time like this, God chose my family to be the bearers and the caretakers of 2 beautiful angels whom He sent to us few days
2
back.
girls?
Yes,
Wow.
Asha and Anika.
Wow.
So we are very grateful to God that in this season we have the honor to be able to host these 2.
How did you feel when we just received the news? How did you feel? Excess joy, fear? What was the feeling?
Well, when I knew that we are going to be having 2,
Oh, you knew before.
I had an idea towards when my wife was supposed to put to birth.
Okay.
It was a feeling which I wouldn't be able to explain. I wasn't sad, of course, like some people would be. Maybe because you want to know how you're going to put up resources,
Yeah.
especially because that's usually the major preoccupation.
Yeah.
But I understood one thing: God always takes care of His own, and if He is sending 2 your way, then of course He has made provision for them. So obviously that made me to be very, very relaxed. And
I think this should be the reason why you've decided to organize an event, perhaps a kind of Thanksgiving, where we're going to be celebrating your 1-year anniversary of marriage. We're going to be celebrating we're going to welcome the babies at the same time. We're going to be, anyway, it's an event that is termed special.
yes, actually we are going to be having a 4-in-1 event, we would say.
4 in 1.
Yes.
Un événement 4 en 1.
Yeah.
Ooh la la. Talk to us about the event.
The first thing which we're going to be doing is going to be a Thanksgiving. The second thing which we'll be doing will be the dedication of the babies.
Okay.
The third thing which we are going to be doing is the celebration. The celebration of our first anniversary, because it falls on the same day.
Wow.
And the last thing which we are going to be doing is to do this event, which we are trusting God to raise an altar of worship on behalf of these children.
Wow.
Because you see, these 2 girls are coming into a worship family, and I want to believe that they are voices that the Lord is sending,
Amen.
maybe voices of worship that the Lord is sending to this world. And we don't want to say that they are going to sing in their lives, but we want to just raise an altar of worship, that whatsoever they are going to do as children and as adults is going to be consecrated unto the Lord, you see. So that's how it is. Samuel was consecrated unto the Lord as a child, and Bible says that from the days of his childhood to when he grew old, all he knew was how to sacrifice unto the Lord. So it's a very, very symbolic day, and it's a very, very important date for us.
C'est un événement très important. Alex, tu pourras nous faire voir le visuel de l'événement de ce dimanche qui, n'est-ce pas, est un événement super important. Un jeune couple, très jeune d'ailleurs, qui célèbre 1 an de mariage, qui célèbre une dédicace au Seigneur pour la venue des jumeaux dans leur vie et qui en même temps sont en train d'élever un autel d'adoration. C'est véritablement spécial. Is everyone invited for this kind of event?
Of course, everyone is invited. Everyone who wants to desire to be part of this blessing.
Yeah.
We want to make it open for everyone who is willing to partake, for everyone who is willing to share in this. You see, there is a way which God blesses a man and makes it such that it becomes a door for other people to receive the same kind of blessing.
So where is it happening exactly and what time?
Okay.
On the flyers we can see second May, which is this Sunday, 5 p.m. Where is it exactly?
It's happening at Salvation Baptist Church.
All right.
Salvation Baptist Church is at Carrefour Obili.
Okay.
And as soon as you get after the gate of GP, going towards Carrefour Obili, you will see the signpost by your left. That's
right.
opposite GP gate, and you can just follow the road and go down.
Okay.
It's a very easy place to find.
All right.
Salvation Baptist Church. We are going to have ministers like Graham on the sax. We have people like Minister Thierry, who is a powerful worship praise minister. We have Ashek Blessing, Minister Carl, Minister Bisong Nevas, Miriam Chingwe, Minister Javis, and a whole lot of others who are going to be gracing this event.
It's amazing. If somebody does not want to miss the event and may want to call, for more information, it could be for your music, because you're also a music teacher, you're a music minister, you have songs, there's a lot that you do, even as far as events and is concerned, and you are a very dynamic young man available for Cameroonians. If somebody wants to get closer to you, what's the contact?
Okay, first of all, YouTube contacts are there, which anytime you drop a comment, one can always see.
All right.
Njie Augustine, like I said, it's NJIE Augustine. Facebook is there, same name. Okay, we have the page Njie Augustine, and then we have the Facebook address, which is the other way around, Augustine Njie.
Okay.
And we have the Instagram Njie Augustine.
Okay.
And of course, you have my personal number. 678 11 64
10. Can we try it in French?
678.
600. C'est un numéro important d'un jeune Camerounais qui est expert en musique, prof de musique, événementiel, design, en tout cas disponible pour vous, et qui vous invite d'ailleurs pour un événement spécial ce dimanche même à Salvation.
Salvation Église Baptiste du Salut.
Église Baptiste du Salut, voilà, situé à la
Carrefour Obili, en face
de la GP. Voilà.
En face de la GP. Donc dès qu'on traverse le portail, la grande portail GP, en allant vers le Carrefour, il y a le signpost en face. En face,
il y a la plaque, donc, qui vous indique.
Voilà, qui vous indique.
Alors le contact c'est
le 678 11 64 10.
Voilà. 678 11 64 10. Voilà donc le contact.
Ce sont les contacts WhatsApp et les contacts messages et tout. Et j'aurai l'occasion de répondre directement.
D'accord. Today we ask ourselves the question: why is it that parents, you are now a parent?
Yes.
Why is it that parents, or fathers, who want to consider successful children their children, and those who fail somehow the children of the mother? Why you thinking about your answer? Because we're going to close with your answer. Okay. Let's take this one that says that Bonsoir FNZ, le kangourou depuis Terminus Mimboman, j'imagine. Selon moi, c'est parce que les femmes sont plus stables et actives du côté négatif. Et chez les hommes, c'est le contraire. Et le plus souvent, c'est quand le couple réside dans la localité natale de l'homme. FNZ Kangourou. Merci bien pour ta réaction. Merci à tous ceux-là qui ont bien voulu réagir aujourd'hui. On va sortir. Hein? On va sortir. Je suis en train de vouloir prendre le message de quelqu'un, mais qui l'a plutôt envoyé en audio. Et c'est pas possible de prendre les messages en audio. Merci quand même à tous ceux-là qui ont bien voulu participer. Hein. Allez, on va prendre la réaction de l'artiste Augustin J et puis nous sommes partis.
Okay, I'm going to say that it's a very biblical principle.
All right.
Because,
it's biblical.
Yes, it's a biblical principle.
That a successful child is a father's child, and a failing child is a mother's child.
Yes, Proverbs chapter 10.
All right.
It says that a wise son brings glory to the father, and a foolish son is disgrace unto the mother.
Wow.
Yes. So, for all of you, if you're interested, just read it in Proverbs chapter 10, like I said. Or if you like, you can just Google it. A wise son brings glory to the father, and a foolish son disgrace to the mother. And you see it there. And it's a principle. The woman is considered to be the one who transfers information onto the child. Actually, the man is the head of the home, it's true, but he's considerably the breadwinner.
All right.
And the woman is considerably the mother of the house. So if bad information travels from wherever it is and the child becomes influenced by that information,
it's the mother's fault.
There is a high possibility that it's the mother's fault, because the mother is considerably the keeper of the home. You understand? Obviously, that's how it is. That's how our society makes it.
Thank you very much, Augustin J. On that note, we'll be going. What will be your last word for those who watch you today?
Keep watching
the Speaker Show.
The Speaker Show. First of all, we are grateful that we are part of this show this evening, and stay in contact with the Lord. Let the Lord not leave you, let him not forsake you, because that's what the word says. I will not leave you, nor forsake you. But it also says, choose ye this day whom you will serve. It says, for as for me and my household, we will serve the Lord. So let that be your choice, that today you will serve the Lord with your household. And obviously, if you hear his voice, harden not your heart.
Thank you very much, Augustin J. It was a pleasure to have you. Le rendez-vous donc est pris pour dimanche, lorsqu'il sera 17h au niveau du Carrefour Billy. Merci à tous ceux qui nous ont regardé aujourd'hui. Merci à tous ceux qui ont bien voulu partager avec nous-mêmes leur point de vue concernant notre thématique du jour. Merci beaucoup à Alex Vondor qui a été présent dans tout, n'est-ce pas, ce qui concerne l'émission aujourd'hui. Merci à Yvette. Merci aussi à Chouassa qui nous apporte désormais la rubrique qui va vous amener à sourire, à retrouver la bonne humeur malgré les difficultés de la vie. Jerry, le speaker, c'est mon nom. Je vous souhaite tout ce qui est meilleur, mais surtout l'amour. L'amour, pourquoi pas celle de Dieu. Restez zen, restez amour. Retrouvons-nous vendredi lorsqu'il sera 16h pour une autre édition du Speaker Show.
Cheer. Blueprint a king. Exclusive I am. I say I take that Jovi and Stanley. Beef with the maker, so I bend and so I put on for my choir. I say I put on for my choir.